Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat's Kitchen. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. In this video I will show you how to make this tasty kachumbari. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. The ingredients are 3 tomatoes, I have a cucumber, 2 onions and around 2 lemons or limes. And you can either cube the tomatoes, onions and cucumber or slice them. It depends with how you want your kachumbari to look like, or how you prefer cutting your kachumbari, your vegetables. So start by adding salt into the onions and mix well. And now start mixing everything. So add the onions into the cucumber, also add the tomatoes, and you can also add chili, green chili, but it's optional. And then squeeze the lemons to get the juice. And you can add lemons, limes or even vinegar, but I prefer lemons or limes. And after adding everything, mix your kachumbari well and then taste it to see if the salt is enough, the salt that you added in the onions. And if it's not enough, then you can add. As you can see, the kachumbari is ready. You can serve this kachumbari with ugali and fried fish. You can find the links of the videos of ugali and fried fish in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat's Kitchen.